Hi guys, welcome to the craft table. After my fail on the Metallic Pours from a couple days ago, I promised I was going to do it again. And today is the day. And I've already made up my paints. I got them I'm still working on this, so do not take this as this is how it has to be done. I have 2 parts of the Flotrol, 1 part paint, and some water in each one of these, and I did them all the same. And like I said, I've only been doing this a couple weeks. I do not know the fancy dancy recipes. I'm still learning. And the paints that I'm going to be using are the old paints, mostly folk art it looks like, but this black here is licorice, and for some strange reason, this is extreme glitter black. So I kind of mixed these together. So I have sparkly black in this one. This is folk art topaz, and very old, very old. This is festive red from Deco Art, all metallics. This is folk art garnet red. This is emerald green by Folk Art. Of course, my silvers and gold, these are Deco Art Gloss Enamel Metallics, silver, gold, not too much gold in there, and the bottle is empty. And of course, just my normal black and white regular paint. That is from the Flow Acrylics from Artist Loft. And today I am using a regular canvas. I'm not sure what size this is. Small. I'm going to say small. And I've got the push pins in, so it's not going to sit on the floor. I have my little puppy piddle pads. Oh, I said it right. Ready to catch the paint. I have my gloves. My wipe hand pad here. I have these little, I have an idea, and I have to thank Pouring Your Heart Out. I love that woman. I will actually put a link to her channel down below in the description, but I learned so much from her. And she did tree ring pours, like 7 different ones, just using 1 color and black and all different colors. I'm going to try it. So I have these little cups. They should be plenty big enough. And I'm not going to use any of the silicone or anything like that. I'm just going to go straight, see if I can get this right for a change. And now that I've all rambled up, let's get to work, shall we? And there you have it. My redemption. Much better than the last one. Oh, yeah. Anything would have been better than the last one. But this, to me, is just absolutely amazing. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but the metallics do have that metallic sheen to them. And I just absolutely love it. My husband even likes it. And in fact, he banned me from the craft table while it was wet because he knows how graceful I am, which is 0 to none. So, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you found that little bit of inspiration and the courage to keep on going no matter what happens. Just keep on going. Keep practicing. It's not going to hurt. So I do have leftover paint, as you if you remember. I have the gold and the silver already made up, and I have these little tiny easels here, and I thought, well, it would be nice maybe to make a set. So look forward to that in the coming weeks, and make sure to stick with the video towards the end because I give you an up close and personal view of this. So thank you again for spending this time with me. I really appreciate it. I'm supposed to remind you to click the subscribe, hit the bell, and maybe a like. If you liked it, leave me a comment. If there's any colors or techniques that you want to see me try, leave me a comment. I read them and I get back to them whenever possible. And if nothing else, you have a great week, and I promise I will see you soon. Bye-bye now.